In this essential PowerPoint tutorial, we are going to master a skill that transforms boring slides into engaging presentations: how to put a video on PowerPoint. We will learn the best ways to insert a video from your computer, how to embed a YouTube video, and how to manage video playback settings for a flawless presentation. You are building a presentation, perhaps for work, school, or a special event. You have text and images, but you know that a video would really drive your point home. Maybe you have a product demo saved on your hard drive, or there is a perfect clip on YouTube that explains everything. You might be worried that adding a video will be complicated, or that it won't play when you stand up to present. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a video to PowerPoint so that it works every single time. We will cover the two main methods: uploading a video file directly from your device for offline use, and embedding an online video to keep your file size small. We will also look at the crucial playback tools so you can decide if the video starts automatically or waits for your click. By the end of this guide, you will be able to create dynamic multimedia presentations with confidence. All right, let's get this video onto your slide. We will start with Method 1. Inserting a video from your computer. This is the safest method for important presentations because it works even if the internet goes down. First, open your presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you want the video to appear. Look at the ribbon menu at the very top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. Towards the right side of this menu, you will see a button labeled Video. Click that button and a small menu will drop down. You want to select this device, or Video on my PC. This will open your File Explorer. Navigate to where you saved your video file, select it, and click Insert. The video will appear right in the middle of your slide. You can drag the corners to resize it just like a picture. Now that the video is on the slide, we need to tell PowerPoint how to play it. This is the step most people miss. Click on your video to select it. You will see a new tab appear at the top called Playback, or Video Format. Click on Playback. Look for the Start drop-down menu. By default, it might be set to In-Click Sequence. If you want the video to play the moment you arrive on that slide without you touching anything, change this setting to Automatically. If you want to have control and only play it when you are ready, change it to When Clicked On. Now, let's look at Method 2, Embedding an online video. This is great if you want to save space on your hard drive. Click the Insert tab again, click Video, but this time select Online Videos. A box will pop up asking for the address. Go to YouTube and copy the link of the video you want. Simply paste the YouTube link into that box and wait a moment for the preview to load. Once you see the thumbnail, click Insert. PowerPoint will download a placeholder for that video. Remember, for this method to work during your presentation, you must have an active internet connection. If you are inserting a video from your computer, I highly recommend using the MP4 format with H.264 video and AAC audio. This is the most compatible format and ensures your video plays smoothly on almost any computer you might present on. Another great tip is to use the Trim Video feature found in the Playback tab. If your video is 5 minutes long but you only need the 30 seconds in the middle, you don't need external editing software. You can just click Trim Video inside PowerPoint and set a new start and end time right there. If you are sending your presentation by email, be careful with Method 1. Inserting a video file embeds it, which increases the file size of your PowerPoint. If the file becomes too big to email, you might want to use Method 2, Online Video, or save the presentation to a cloud service like OneDrive. What if you run into problems? If you insert an online video and it refuses to play, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Also, check if the video owner on YouTube has disabled embedding. If they have, it won't play outside of YouTube. If you insert a file from your computer and the audio plays but the screen is black, this is usually a codec issue. It means your computer doesn't know how to read that specific video type. The best solution is to convert that video to a standard MP4 file using a free converter before inserting it into PowerPoint. So we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to put a video on PowerPoint using two reliable methods. We learned how to insert a file directly from the computer for offline reliability, and how to embed a YouTube video for ease of use. We also mastered the playback settings to ensure the video starts exactly when we want it to. You now have the power to create multimedia presentations that truly capture your audience's attention. I truly hope this PowerPoint tutorial was helpful and solved your presentation problems. If it did, please give this video a like. It's a simple gesture that really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested in more guides on productivity tools and presentation tips, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you prefer using online videos to save space, or do you always download the file to be safe? I'm very curious to know your preference. Thank you for watching.